Hi, welcome to our Disney vacation. Here you see two monorails behind me and the Magic Kingdom. Here's our room. So turn around one more time, look over there at the Magic Kingdom from our room. So starting out, we've got closet space. There, you can see that, right? Pretty much all of the rooms in the main tower at the Contemporary have been themed to The Incredibles. So we've got hangar space and the Incredibles suits back there, hairdryer, pillow and blanket, handheld steamer, and then we've got storage space to the right, safe, and even more storage. Those are drawers. You know what they do. Forward, we have got, all right. We've got more theming back here with alcohol and mugs, DevTech, Etna Mode, Happy Platter, Safari Court. That's like Incredibles 2 theme. And we've got a Keurig, pressed it. And then the 50th anniversary Joffrey's, Keurig pods, tea, creamer, cups. Oh, okay, so we've got a mini fridge in here. Very mini fridge. No, not Minnie Mouse mini fridge, just a small mini fridge. It opens this way. So we've got Steakhouse 71 in there and some other room for other stuff. But it is a mini fridge. Why am I out of breath? Okay, there's that. Now if you come back, come this way. Come into the bathroom. Left, we have got a bathroom and a shower. This is our shower. So if you push the door in, it opens, and then if you pull it out, it opens. And this, I almost tripped. Okay. I am now in the, it's echoey, ow. So we've got a rainfall shower here. Still water. Okay, and then looks like a handheld as well. And then full size H2O. Can't steal. Two sinks here. Monorail theme on the, okay, monorail theme on the mirror. Lighting on both sides. And tissues. Come back here. If we, I washed my hands. And that's the soap. And if you can see here, we've got H2O products like mouthwash and body lotion and a shower cap if you want to do that. Also a trash can. Now, what Toki refers to as the throne room. We've got a nice Jack and his several powers from Incredibles 2 and towels. And the throne, as it were. And this is it. Okay, this is that was the bathroom. Okay, so now we come into the main section. So we've got two. I think these are queen size beds. Some of the rooms don't have these pillows, but we got them. Frozone and Etna Mode. It's like a leather. And then over here we've got like a couch, like, let's watch some TV. Apparently moves, it's a table. Of course it's a table. It's a table and you can kind of move it. It's a little heavy, but it can stay there. A lamp here that's kind of reminds me of the Omnidroid from The Incredibles. Oh, and on each side of the bed, there is yes. Yes, okay, so on each side of the bed, there is a little flashlight thing for reading. Okay, and then we've got 2 plugs, 2 USBs, and ledge. If you look underneath, there's plenty of storage for all of your souvenirs and luggage, suitcases, and stuff. And let's see, what else? Oh, there is a phone. And we've got religion and don't look at that. Don't look at that. We've got things to do. Take out trash. Learn new math. Call Rick D back. Wow, this is the only thing that's real. That's not. Okay. That's the only drawer here. Underneath, there's space, and then we have USB and outlets to plug. And we've got a really nice monorail theme on this lamp. So there's that. And of course, we've got the magic music with the park hours and all that you can do at Walt Disney World. And now for the main event. Join me. No, I insist, you first. Look at this. Wow. So we're on the 6th floor, which is really only the 2nd floor of rooms because there's 4 floors of like hotel underneath us before the rooms start. But yeah, that's Bay Lake. And you can kind of see some other hotels in the distance, not sure what that is. You can see kind of in the distance there the aerofoil balloon at Disney Springs. So Disney Springs is that way. I think right there you can see one of the ferries from, oh, you can see Wilderness Lodge over there. I think that's one of the boats that comes from Wilderness Lodge. But yeah, this is incredible. This is the best part of the room, other than walking out and seeing Magic Kingdom. Right over there, 2 chairs. And then Bay Lake Tower, which is DVC. But can't get much better than this. So thank you for attending my room tour of the Incredibles room at Contemporary.